Welcome back to our Finance and Economics Masterclass. In our last module, we explored the world of ESG, looking at how environmental, social, and corporate governance factors help modern investors manage risk and pick sustainable companies. But once you know how to analyze individual businesses, macroeconomic trends, and ethical risks, you face the ultimate question. How do you safely combine all of these different investments into a single, cohesive portfolio? The answer lies in the art and science of portfolio diversification and management. To understand why diversification is essential, we must start with the most famous rule in investing. Do not put all of your eggs in one basket. If you invest your entire life savings into a single company's stock, your financial future is completely tied to that one business. If they run into a corporate scandal, a product failure, or bankruptcy, your wealth is wiped out. Portfolio diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across a wide variety of assets to reduce overall risk. The mathematical magic of diversification relies on a concept called correlation. Correlation measures how different investments move in relation to one another. If two stocks always move up and down together, they are highly correlated, meaning combining them does not actually protect you. True diversification means finding assets with low or negative correlation. For example, when the stock market drops during an economic downturn, safe haven assets like government bonds or gold often hold their value or even rise. By holding a mix of stocks, bonds, and international assets, the gains in one area can offset the losses in another, smoothing out your path to wealth. This balancing act forms the foundation of modern portfolio theory. This theory proves that you can construct an optimal portfolio that offers the maximum possible return for a specific level of risk. It shifts your focus from looking at the risk of an individual stock to looking at how that stock impacts your entire portfolio as a whole. But building a diversified portfolio is not a one-time event. It requires active asset allocation and regular rebalancing. Asset allocation is the strategy of dividing your portfolio among different asset categories, like 60% stocks and 40% bonds, based on your personal age, financial goals, and risk tolerance. Over time, market movements will naturally disrupt this balance. If the stock market goes on a massive bull run, your stocks might grow to represent 80% of your portfolio, exposing you to far more risk than you intended. To fix this, portfolio managers perform rebalancing. This means selling off a portion of your winning assets and using that cash to buy more of your underperforming assets. Ironically, rebalancing forces you to follow the golden rule of investing: selling high and buying low. Mastering portfolio management allows you to build a reliable wealth engine that can survive any market cycle. But while traditional portfolios rely heavily on public stocks and bonds, the world's most sophisticated investors often look outside the mainstream markets to supercharge their returns and protect against inflation. That brings us to our next major topic. In our upcoming video, we are moving beyond the traditional stock market to explore the high-reward world of alternative investment types. See you in the next session.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.